Children, let's begin our class. Welcome to Standard 4th, Subject Science, Lesson number 5, Soil. Before we proceed to our new topic, let's first revise our previous topic. In the previous topic, we had seen the process of formation of soil. The process of breakdown of huge rocks into smaller pieces due to the action of wind, rain, heat is called weathering. Soil is the top layer of the earth surface. It is very important for life on earth. Plants grow in soil. They produce food and give out oxygen which is needed by human and animals to stay alive. Soil is also home to many insects and animals. This much we had completed in the previous topic. Now let's proceed to our new topic. In today's topic, we are going to learn composition of soil, types of soil, and soil profile. Let's begin with composition of soil. Soil is made up of different types of soil particles. In this picture, you can observe three different types of soil particles: sand, silt, and clay. First is sand. These are the largest soil particles. Here, three small circles indicates the size of soil particles. You can compare from these. Second is silt. These particles are smaller than sand particles but bigger than clay particles. Third is clay. These are the smallest soil particles. These small circles are just examples to clear the concept. Hope you must have understood. Other than these, soil also contains small stones and pebbles called gravel, minerals such as iron, calcium, and potassium, and humus. Soil also contains some amount of air and water. Types of soil. There are mainly three types of soil depending upon the amount of different soil particles present in it. These are sandy, clayey, and loamy soil. Sandy soil. This soil has a greater proportion of sand particles. Sandy soil feels rough and gritty and is non-sticky when wet. It does not hold much water and drains most of it. Clayey soil. This soil has a greater proportion of clay particles. Clayey soil feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. Loamy soil. This soil has almost the same amount of sand, clay, and silt. Loamy soil is the best soil for growing plants. It is rich in nutrients and humus and allows water to pass through easily. Soil profile. Soil profile refers to the layers of soil. In the picture, these layers have been named A, B and C. A is the top soil. It is the uppermost layer of soil and contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air. B is called the subsoil. It is the middle layer of soil present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. C is called the bedrock. It is the bottom layer of soil and is quite deep inside the earth. It has large pieces of rocks. Now you know a lot about layers of soil. That's all for today. Let's summarize what we have learned. Soil is made up of different types of soil particles: sand, silt, and clay. There are three types of soil: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock are three layers of soil. Let's check your homework of previous topic. Your today's homework: find out the following answers and write down in your notebook, and be ready with your answers in the next period. Thank you.